In this video, I will show you how to do a Remitly money transfer to Nepal. So to do this, just go to remitly.com or go and download the Remitly app on your phone. Then after doing that, at the top make sure it's set to Nepal. For me right now it's set to Bangladesh. So to change it, just click on the drop down and here go and search for Nepal. So once you select Nepal, also make sure that your sending country is correct. So for me, it's set to the UAE. If you want to change that one, again, just click on the drop down and pick your country. Now from here, pick how much you would like to transfer, for example, 5,000 Nepalese rupees. Now you can also pick it in your own currency by typing right there. Now you can see there are no fees on your first transfer, so then click on get this rate. Then you will need to sign up for an account if you don't have one yet. That should only take about 1 or 2 minutes. But I already have an account, so I'll just sign into my account right now. Then from here, for me it was reset to sending to Bangladesh. To change it, just click on what it is right now and again type in Nepal. So after you select Nepal, you can then click on send money right here. Now I already have a recipient, but I'll just add a new one for this video. So then here choose again how much you want to transfer. So for example 5,000 Nepalese rupees, although I can also for example enter 100 in my currency. Now there are no fees on this transfer, so then just click continue and then choose the delivery method. So how would you like the money to be delivered to your recipient in Nepal? So you can pick a bank deposit, cash pickup or mobile money. For example, I'll go with mobile money. Now from there, the steps you need to take depend on which delivery method you picked. So if you selected mobile wallet, you need to select which mobile wallet they use. So for example, I'll just go with a Sewa. Then here enter their first name, middle name and last name. The middle name is optional. Then enter their mobile phone number and click continue. Then choose if you want them to receive notifications with transfer updates and select the reason for sending. Then select your relationship to the recipient and select your payment method. So for example, I'll add a card, then I can pick debit or credit card, then just enter your details and click next. Then you will get to an overview of all the details, so make sure that everything is correct. And if it is, go and confirm it and pay for the transfer, and then the money will be on its way to your recipient. So now you know how to do a Remitly money transfer to Nepal. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.